Hey Curly Teas, today let's make a hydrating, softening spray for daily use meant to help keep the hair soft and supple with high-performance humectants and water-soluble emollients. Distilled water is very important when making products. Never use tap water for anything. I usually transfer my distilled water into smaller bottles with more durable plastic. For whatever reason, they still last much longer than the hard, brittle plastic of the gallon jugs.
Distilled water is crucial in water-based products to ensure purity and prevent contamination, enhancing the effectiveness and safety of cosmetic formulations.
This is a homemade glyceride of nettle leaf and fenugreek seed in glycerin. The extract was made by heating glycerin, a very small amount of distilled water, nettle, and fenugreek for about 20 minutes. If you want to decrease the viscosity, add a little pentylene glycol. If you have commercial extracts of nettle and fenugreek, use those instead. Green tea contains EGCG and is said to have antioxidant properties. Some say it also helps to strengthen hair strands, which can help keep the hair from breaking. The extract is often added to hair care for marketing purposes, but homemade green tea extract is often used by people to help with everything from scalp irritation to dandruff. Chamomile extract is said to be anti-inflammatory. That's its main draw. It also is thought to help soothe irritation. Some say it helps reduce frizz over time, but you'll probably find more benefit using a full chamomile tea for that purpose. Like green tea, hibiscus, and other herbs, chamomile is also great for marketing purposes. Propanediol, aka nature's silk, is a high-quality humectant meant to replace propylene and butylene glycols. Propanediol seems to have gotten more popular over the years, especially in skincare. It's used to cut down on the stickiness of glycerin. It also helps add a glossy look to the actual product. This watermelon seed extract is a glycerite. Watermelon extract is thought to promote hydration. The actual watermelon is said to be high in vitamin C and other nutrients. The seeds are thought to be rich in fatty acids and have antioxidant properties. You'll often see the extract used in skincare as well as hair care to improve the antioxidant profile of the product. PEG 12 dimethicone is a water-soluble silicone that can be added directly into water. This one is said to wash off cleanly. It's said to coat the hair with a breathable, silky film that can prevent water loss, but it also washes off easily. All silicones have gotten a bad rep because of how some silicones behave in the hair. This silicone is used in shampoos, conditioners, facial products, cleansers, and hair treatments.
PEG 12 dimethicone helps retain moisture in the hair, preventing dryness and brittleness, which can lead to breakage.
If you could please hurry the up, it would be greatly appreciated.
The application of PEG 12 dimethicone results in increased brightness and a polished appearance, making hair look healthier. PEG 12 dimethicone enhances the hair's resistance to humidity and sweat, contributing to a more manageable style throughout the day. Become a member at CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY formulas, including instructions, tips, notes, full ingredients lists, and other information. PEG 50 shea butter acts as a humectant, attracting moisture from the environment to the hair and scalp, which helps maintain hydration levels. Choose from a range of formula categories and upgrade to private online consultation if necessary at CURLYTEA.com. Learn at your own pace at CURLYTEA.com. Create finished products by watching each DIY video. Become a member at CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY formulas, including instructions, tips, notes, full ingredients lists, and other information. Join the Patreon today to get access to exclusive in-the-works formulas and other important information. Go to patreon.com/CurlyTea.
Coseeth. Coseeth.
Learn at your own pace at CURLYTEA.com. Create finished products by watching each DIY video. Join the Patreon today to get access to exclusive in-the-works formulas and other important information. Go to patreon.com/CurlyTea. Phenylpropanol's profile suggests a lower risk of adverse health effects, aligning with consumer demand for safer cosmetic products. Research indicates that phenylpropanol demonstrates comparable antimicrobial activity to conventional agents, making it a viable option for cosmetic formulations. Choose from a range of formula categories and upgrade to private online consultation if necessary at CURLYTEA.com. Coseeth 10 and PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil serve as effective solubilizers in hair care formulations, enhancing product performance and stability.
The final product is a softening, easy to apply spray that you can use whenever necessary. It is very much meant for dry hair that may be high porosity. My hair is high porosity, so you can technically use it on wash day, but my hair prefers a creamier leave-in during those days. I use this hydration spray between washes during a retwist. Add a nice watermelon scent to go along with the theme of the formula.
Join the Patreon today to get access to exclusive in-the-works formulas and other important information. Go to patreon.com/CurlyTea.
Shout out to the patrons at Patreon. Support CurlyTea.com, share with the community, and get more information about product formulation by joining us at Patreon or becoming a member at the website today.